Krishna to everyone. My name is Jatin Salaria and I am teacher at Kerala International School. Today I am here to wish everyone Happy Janmashtami from the side of Kerala International School, and I am really obliged and thankful to the management and principal ma'am of the school that she has chosen me from the entire staff to come forward and wish everyone on this occasion. I totally agree that we all are in a tight situation right now and we are going through the pandemic situation, and we are like, everyone is running short of either time, funds or everything else, entire thing. But what I would like to say that in these tough times, what we should do is to remember the teachings of Lord Krishna that he taught Arjun during the Mahabharata. That could be very helpful to us in this pandemic situation to deal with our patience level, to deal with the emotions that we all are facing. I particularly choose this topic because I felt that it would be the best thing that I can speak on during this time. So I have my students of 10th standard who would be putting forward viewpoints in the favor of the teaching, and then I will put that in a twist and put the thing in a nutshell and will present it in favor of you. Thank you.
Hare Krishna to all. Today I am Pratibha from KLM International School. The first teaching we must learn from the Krishna is our mind is restless and wanders here and there, but human being can win on the situation by constant practice and perseverance.
Jai Shri Krishna. I'm Sonam Naval from KLM International School. The second teaching that we must learn from Lord Krishna is that we must be updated and change ourselves with time in order to succeed in our lives.
Hare Krishna to all. I am Shruti Pathania of KLM International School, and the third teaching is that we should not be biased with anyone. We should not be biased with anyone and should respect and value everyone around us, to be it human being, animals or environment. Happy Janmashtami to you and your family.
My students were able to put forward their views in a very positive and a very festive mood, and you may see the appearances of my students. We kept it little like a festive occasion because what we feel that other occasions are suitable for uniform, but when we have Indian festivals and that also the birth of Lord Rama or Lord Krishna, we really need to come in the festive colors because India is known for its colors and festival and cultures. Okay, so now I would just like to put that teaching in a nutshell and would like to emphasize on the particular ones which I feel are very essential for everyone's growth and development. First of all, I feel that if we want, like we are living in a society which is facing so many issues at present, and we all hope that we want that world should develop, world should move towards the elegant days. So we need to establish a status of equality in this world, in this universe. And how it can be done? It can only be done if we all together, we as a society, we as individuals come together and we take the pledge that we will try our best to elucidate or to eradicate this inequality on the basis of the status, income or the caste systems on the society. Because this is the only option we have if we want to move towards the civilized society. The second teaching that I feel is very important for all of us that has been taught by Krishna is that we need to be fearless. When you know that you are on the right track and you know that you have done nothing wrong, you should not be fearless of anyone, regardless of any situation, any powerful person or anyone. You should always stand out and voice out if you feel that something wrong is going in your surroundings. Because if you are not voicing out against the negative things or the wrong, you are also one of the culprit who is equal in that crime. So always be fearless, always speak out your heart if you feel that something, if you can bring a change, if your voice can bring a change, please let it flow. Do not hold your tongue just for the sake of fear of someone. The last teaching is that do your karma and forget about the results. Now, particularly at this time, we all are stuck in the pandemic situation. As we all know, you are sitting at your homes, and we are teaching you through the online education through the mobile phones. And we all teachers, we know that education cannot be imparted through mobile phones, or we cannot you cannot replace the classroom scenario with the cell phone scenario. Whatever be the situation, whatever you talk about online education, online transportation, digitalization, but teaching is always in the best form when it is done in the classroom in the manual presence of teacher. But considering the situation and going with the time, we need to bring the change in ourselves and in our teaching method, and we as a KLM family, we teachers are trying our best to make everything so simplified for you people that you do not have to face any issues. But in case if you are still not if you are still facing any issues out there, do not be worried about your results and examinations. You can follow the Krishna's teaching here that you just need to do your karma. You just need to focus like what we are saying to you. Just learn on the concept. Just try your best. Forget about the results. Results would always be best if your preparation is best and you are putting the best efforts out of you. Also, another thing that I would like to say here that Krishna also told that we should change with time. Again, this particular teaching is very relevant in this time frame that we are going through. Now we really need to change with the time. So as the teaching process has changed, everything is taking changes. We never wore masks before this, but now we are wearing because the situation demands so. So only that person can succeed in life who changes his with time. One who is continuous and one who is continuing on the old traditions can never succeed in the life because others will be far ahead from him who are updating themselves with time. So you have to consider all these teachings and try to put that in your practical life and then see what change you see in your life. Again, very happy Krishna Janmashtami to everyone. Enjoy with your family, enjoy the day. Please pray for the well-being of the entire universe, for the world, and please request God to put us back in the normal situation as soon as possible. Because again, I would like to say here, you people are better than far millions. There are people out in the world who are not even getting sufficient money to have one-time meal. So please, wherever you are, in whatever situation you are, always be thankful to God, and I assure you that there would be no any time where you would not feel the presence of God with you. Always do right, He will always help you right away to your destination. Thank you all again. Happy Janmashtami to all of you from me, from my side, from my students, and from KLM International family. Thank you all.